In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Proton Mail app on Android. By the end, you will have the official encrypted email app ready to use on your phone. Start by opening the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It is usually a multicolored triangle on a white background. When you tap it, the main Play Store page should load, with apps, games, and a search bar across the top. Now tap the search bar at the top of the screen. When you tap it, your keyboard will appear and the search field will be active, usually showing a blinking cursor so you know it is ready for text. If you see suggestions pop up immediately, you can ignore those for now. In the search field, type Proton Mail encrypted email. Then tap the search button on your keyboard. After a moment, you will see a list of results related to Proton Mail. The official app usually appears near the top, often with a dark icon and the Proton logo. Before you install anything, verify that the developer is Proton A G. This text appears just below the app name on the search result and again on the app details page. Checking the developer name protects you from installing fake or unofficial apps that might look similar but are not actually from Proton. Once you have confirmed the developer is Proton A G, tap Install. The button is usually green and sits on the right side of the app page. As soon as you tap it, the button changes to show a progress indicator, and you might see a small download notification appear at the top of your screen. Wait for the app to download and install. The Play Store will show a progress bar filling from left to right, then a brief installing label. You do not need to do anything during this time, and you can stay on this screen to watch the progress. When it is finished, the Install button changes to Open and you will also see Proton Mail added to your app drawer automatically. With the installation complete, tap Open. The Proton Mail app launches, and you will see the welcome or sign-in screen with the Proton logo. At this point, the app is fully installed and ready, and an icon is now available on your home screen or app list for future use. On the welcome screen, sign in with your existing Proton account, or tap Create Account to register a new one. If you sign in, enter your Proton username and password, then continue to reach your encrypted inbox. If you create a new account, follow the on-screen steps to choose a username, a secure password, and any required recovery details, then finish to reach your new inbox. You have now downloaded Proton Mail on your Android device and reached the sign-in screen so you can start using secure encrypted email. If this helped you get Proton Mail set up, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you want more simple privacy how-tos, feel free to subscribe.